Hello everyone and welcome back to All Light Food, and today I'm going to make a very simple noodle salad. I'm not going to use any noodle in this recipe, rather I'm going to cut all the vegetables in noodle shape and serve it with a simple lemon dressing. But before I start making the recipe, please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your loved ones. I will start the recipe by slicing or noodling the salad vegetables, and for that all you will need is a vegetable chopper. Here are small spikes on the blade. They're going to help to make the spiral shape of the vegetables. Let's go and make the vegetable noodles. Simply place the cucumber on the chopper and turn the handle in a circular motion. Make sure to put a plate ahead of the chopper to collect the vegetables. Look at those noodles, they are just looking perfect. So now I'm going to cut all the vegetables. There goes cucumber, there goes the carrot and the radish. So there you go. So I have made some of the noodles here, but I'm going to slice the cabbage and onions to very thin slices, which will resemble like noodles. So all the salad veggies are ready. Now it's time to mix. Now in a bowl, first I will take the cucumber noodles, the carrot noodles and the radish noodles, the sliced cabbage. Next I'm going to add the finely sliced onions, little bit of chopped green chilies, and finally whole coriander leaves, a few ginger juliennes. This bowl of salad is looking full of nutrients, colorful and delicious. So now let's quickly do the dressing. I will add all the flavors directly, and for that first I'm going to add lemon zest. Wow, just look at those yellow golden color. Just crush them. Then I will quickly roll the lemon. This is going to accumulate all those juice. Cut them into halves and squeeze half a lemon straight into the salad bowl. Make sure to de-seed. I'll sprinkle some salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper powder, some chili flakes. Okay, now if you want to avoid chili flakes, then that's completely fine. It's always optional. Finally, I will drizzle a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Wow, just look at this. It's looking lovely. Mix all the vegetables nicely with all those flavors. Looks perfect. This is looking amazing. You can find the written recipe on my website. The link is given in the description box. Now serve the salad and enjoy it with a bowl of hot soup or all by itself. So thank you so much for watching All Light Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health related articles, food goodies and food remedies, please visit my blog at www.alllightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest.